Pre-game finger combos. Before I get into it, let me tell you an imaginary story. There's this guy in a village, and they're starving to death because they don't have any water. And he's in love with a girl, but she says he's not capable enough. He can't satisfy her cravings of course, thirst and hunger, right? But one day, he stumbles upon a cave where an old man is living. And he tells the story to this old man, right? My village is starving to death, and my girlfriend isn't really my girlfriend because she doesn't like me that much. So the old man tells him, I know a secret. Finger techniques, signs that can make water come out of the ground. The young man is like bamboozled. He's like, whoa, I want to learn that shit. So he asks the old man, and he tells him, I am not young enough to do it anymore, but I can teach it to you so you can help your village. So he teaches him. He comes back to the village, performs the signs, and boom, a geyser erupts and water flows everywhere in the village. Over the few weeks that come, the geyser doesn't stop, just regularly, just pops, pops, pops. And the water starts coming from everywhere, and the ground starts to have actual grass that they can feel that their animals on, and the village starts to thrive. And the young man names the geyser, the newfound geyser, with the name of his beloved. And she was so happy that he made her geyser burst that she married him, and they lived happily ever after. The end. So now, let's imagine this whole story becomes a game. And you can learn those signs, a bit like in Skyrim, right? The dragon signs and all that. But you can learn those signs that make the geyser burst. Well, I'm going to teach them to you right here with this controller that I just drew. Hey, pretty good controller. I had to go in and watch the actual image of a PS4 or PS5 controller, to be honest, because I don't play that shit. I'm a PC gamer, okay? I'm not a bitch. So the first one is called the slide. Go there on the controller. Let me see if you can see it. And you slide like this. That's one of the best finger combos to make it happen. You know what I mean? A lot of people know it, but you just got to aim it right. A lot of people don't know how to aim it right. You just want to take those first two for the most part. And then look for the kind of raspberry-like sensation on the remote, on the controller, right there. All right? So that's the slide. And don't worry, by the way, at the end of the video, I'm going to give you something that'll allow you to understand it better, to have more detail. It's just right now I'm presenting it to you, and then you'll see. The second one is called tapping. Comes down to this. You take one, again, or two fingers, and you start tapping the controller. Again, on the same area we were doing the slide on, okay? So you just tap, all right? Take this into consideration. Everything I'm showing you here, reverse it for the actual gaming session, okay? And the third one is pressing. Again, in your head, you think pressing, you go there and you press on the controller that way. Think the reverse, like pulling, you know what I mean? But in this scenario of gaming, we're gonna say pressing, right? Again, 1 to 2 fingers, and you go like this. So that's it. That's the 3 methods to make the geyser come in the video game. Now, I left a PDF in the description where I go unfiltered on this whole gaming thing so that you can understand it fully. And don't worry, man, I don't need your email. I don't need whatever it is you think I might need, right? It's free. And one day I'll make a course or I'll make a coaching thing, but that's not today. So enjoy, you know, it's free. But even though you know how to create geysers now, it'll be pretty useless if you don't know how to warm up the earth first. And you do that by accumulating the water in the soil. If you want to know how to do that, watch this right now. And don't forget, work on the inside and the outside will follow. Take care, man. Johnny.